All right, guys, I got the TJ5A up and running on the windom. I'm at 10 watts right now. My last attempt to work the last station calling CQSST, which I have no idea. I'm going to assume that's a slow speed test or something. Didn't work out well. So this guy here is Alpha Delta 9 Yankee. QRZ.com says it's Blake Stevenson in Johnson Creek, Wisconsin. Now, that's a short jaunt for us on 20 meters. I'm going to see if he can hear me. He's quite slow. The code, I mean, is quite slow. I'll see if I can slow down enough for him to copy me. Sometimes I fumble and fall when I try to go too slow, but we'll do our best here. I'm going to turn my scanner off too, or down here. So it's Alpha Delta 9 Yankee. Okay, so I sent him my call. He copied it. So he did. So he said my call sign VE3FAL from AD9Y. Saying thanks. For call. That's what he's sending now. Name is B L A K E. So his name's Blake. QTH is WI. WI. So Wisconsin. Your RST is next. So my signal 5 9 9. So he gave me a 599 running 10 watts. He's also a 599 here. All right, so back to me. Here we go. So I'm going to say thanks, Blake. I'm going to give him a signal report. Your RST 599. Short form N for 9. Name is Fred. Fred again. And I'm going to tell my QTH is Ontario. and sent it back to him. Did Dodd it. So that's Roger. So he's sending my call sign back. VE3FAL. So I gave him a 599, told my name was Fred, I'm in Ontario. So he's saying, nice to meet you, is what he's going to say now. 2. So there's an O. Meet you. Fred. So he just said, Fred, thanks for QSO. There's the Q, S, and I'm going to send him a QSL card. I'm going to fill it out right now. So he's sending 73. Right now the number 73, which is thanks. All right, so I'm going to send him a QSL card. I'll fill that out right now. All right, so we're going to answer him. We're going to say 73 as well. I'm going to say thanks, Blake. For QSO. No, I'll say for contact. I'll say 73. And hope to see you again. Soon. And I'll say 73. And thank you. So 73. Thank you. And there we are. So there's a QSO with Alpha Delta 9 Yankee in Wisconsin. That's Blake. He gave me a 599. He's a 599. I'm on the TJ5A. I am running 10 watts out into my windom using my straight key, my old straight key here. I apologize for, the picture. I'm running the GoPro here because it takes too long with the phone. The quality's not the greatest using the GoPro in these conditions, but it's a little easier to edit if I want to edit. But, I'm going to put the whole QSO up because it's a good QSO. And thanks a lot, Blake, for the contact. So Alpha Delta 9 Yankee in Wisconsin. This is Fred of VE3FAL in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT, saying, have a great weekend, everyone. Blake, thank you. And remember, folks, watch out for the other guy, because the other guy may not be watching out for you. This is Fred, VE3FAL, 7-3, folks.